Future continuous tense in business English. Discussing upcoming projects. The future. Continuous tense is a versatile verb form that is commonly used in business English to discuss upcoming projects, plans, and events that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. In business communication, this tense is essential for expressing actions or situations that are expected to be in progress at a particular point in time. Let's explore how the future continuous tense can be used in various business scenarios with illustrative examples. Describing future plans. One common use of the future. Continuous tense in business English is to discuss future plans or projects that are scheduled to be ongoing at a specific time. For example, at this time next week, our marketing team will be launching a new advertising campaign. By the end of the month, the sales team will be conducting customer surveys to gather feedback. 2. Making future predictions. The future. Continuous tense can also be used in business English to make predictions about ongoing actions or situations in the future. For instance, I predict that by the time the new product is launched, our competitors will be working on their own marketing strategies. At the end of the year, the company will be expanding its operations into new markets. 3. Discussing long-term goals. Business professionals often use the future continuous tense to discuss long-term goals or objectives that will be ongoing in the future. For example, by the year 2025, our company will be implementing a sustainability program to reduce our carbon footprint. The team will be working on a 5-year strategic plan to increase market share. 4. Talking about future schedules. When discussing future schedules or timelines in business English, the future continuous tense is a valuable tool for indicating ongoing activities. For instance, next month,